If you've ever had to manually update colors across an Illustrator file, you're wasting a lot more time than you need to. Global Colors let you change a color once and automatically update every object using it. Start by creating a new swatch. Make sure the global option is enabled. This is what links every object back to the same color. Apply that swatch anywhere you'd normally use a color. You can always recognize a global color by the small white triangle on the swatch icon. Anything using this global color stays connected. Now, instead of selecting every object individually, just edit the swatch itself. Every connected object updates instantly. This becomes incredibly useful once you're working across larger branding projects, UI systems, or client revisions. Instead of hunting down every color manually, you update it once and Illustrator handles the rest.